Hi everyone! Welcome back to another cooking video. And the recipe that I'll be sharing you today is the first recipe on our new series we call Recipe Mo Iluluto Ko. So one of you guys sent me this recipe, and of course, I will try it the first time here on Delish PH Kitchen. And this recipe is called Baked Shredded Bangus with Togue. Yes, that's right. So this recipe was shared to us by Phil Ancheta, and he said that his family really loves this bangus dish. And with that, he also wanted to share this to everyone. If you're as excited as I am, please keep on watching. Here are the ingredients that you need. Bangus, toge, potatoes, carrots, bell peppers, cheese, mayonnaise, tomato sauce, calamansi extract, and soy sauce. so we're done baking and it's time for the taste test. And by the way guys, after like I've baked the mixture, I just remember that I forgot to add 1 egg on the actual mixture. So please make sure to add 1 egg, alright? But anyway, even if I forgot adding 1 egg, this one looks delicious. So of course, I'm gonna give it a try. And it smells so good. You know what? The combination of mayonnaise, potatoes, carrots, and even that small amount of tomato sauce. Very delicious. And I can say this is a must-try bangus recipe at home. And of course, it's very easy. And of course, the ingredients are readily available in your local supermarket or local market. And according to him, if you can't find toge in your area, you can substitute it with green peas. Once again, thank you so much, Phil and Cheta, for sharing this recipe to us. And yes, guys, if you have your own recipe, unique recipe that you wanted to share, that you wanted to get featured on Delish PH, don't hesitate to send me a message and we will try to feature your recipe on our next and our future videos. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and again, please don't forget to like and share. And if you have any comments, suggestions, or any clarifications, make sure to drop a comment down below and I'd be happy to check them out. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit that little bell so you will get a notification when we upload a new video. You can also like and follow us on our Facebook page. We are also on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. And if you wanted to check more recipes or recipe ideas, you can also visit our website, www.delishph.com. And just in case you wanted to check out Massflex cookware and kitchenware products, I will add their link on this video description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless everyone. Bye!
Massflex cookware and kitchenware for the love of cooking. Click the link on the description for more information.